Valle Hermoso, Tamaulipas, my hometown tacos. They're not healthy at all, but they're delicious. We're gonna start with the most important things, the salsa. It's so simple. We're gonna do this with chile de árbol, so it's very spicy. Use 5 per tomatillo, only if the tomatillo is a big size. All depends on how spicy you want it. I'm gonna add tomatillo that I already peeled and washed. I'm gonna put some tomatillo. I'm gonna make a bunch of salsa, and this is really good with most of the things, like with scrambled eggs in the morning, it's delicious. And I'm gonna add the pepper. I'm gonna add 1/4 of an onion and 2 garlic cloves with the pepper and the tomatillo. So just let it boil, leave it there, and it's fine if you overcook the pepper and the tomatillo. We wanna make this greasy because we want all the grease to fry the tortillas. Round bottom beef. Pulp steak, if I'm not wrong. Pulp steak. You want to have this at least 1 hour before you start cooking it, marinating with lime juice and salt. Aceite de cocina a la sartén. Vamos a echar la misma cantidad en manteca de puerco y en aceite. So I'm gonna try to put as much as I can there. Al fin de cuentas la vamos a voltear. So you don't want, of course, pink meat in the tacos. As soon as the meat is brown enough, I have small diced, very well chopped onion and cilantro. It's very important for the flavor to leave the steams on and cut the cilantro with the steam. When you grab cilantro, just of course wash it really well and cut the end of the steams. But use all of this, chop all of this, because there is the extra flavor. I'm gonna put everything in the blender. If needed, we're gonna add water from this pot, from the water that you boil everything, if it's too thick. But normally tomatillos hold a lot of water in it. And you're gonna add salt to taste. You don't wanna see the seeds and the salsa. You don't see any more seeds in there. We're gonna add fresh cilantro. Don't turn it off the blender. If it's full, don't turn it off and add the cilantro, because then it's gonna explode in your face, even with the lid on. I'm gonna add the salsa to this little bottle. We're gonna try to send all the onion to the bottom of the pan and bring all the meat to the top. That way the onion cooks and sends all the flavor to the meat. Now we have all the onion on the bottom and the meat back. I'm gonna take off the meat now and I'm gonna put it here in the cutting board. We're gonna start chopping the meat, take out all the onion. Let's turn it out the heat now. What you can do, you can just put the onion here and leave it here inside of the pan so it keeps draining all the fat. Let's remove the whole pan. The best tacos ever. I'm gonna put the meat in a disposable aluminum can, all chopped already. That way we can put it on the top of the stove and put it in low, keep it warm. Look at the pan with all the fat in there. I'm gonna put it closer to the pan, next to it if possible, to soak the tortilla a little bit in the fat and then put it in the grill. This tortilla, in Mexico, they put 2 tortillas, double tortillas. Let's put enough meat in here. I'm not gonna use a spoon or utensils. I'm gonna do it with my bare hands like the real taqueros in Mexico. Now some onion, cilantro, and then grilled onion. Splash of lime juice, salsa. Best tacos you could ever have.